Welcome to another good Google tutorial on Google Smarter Not Harder. This one is how Sheets can link to online resources and other documents. So when you have a section of your learning management system or your individualized induction plan, this is an example of an inquiry page or sheet. As you can see down here, it's in between the DOP and the PD log. This is an example of how you can hyperlink any word or text written in any one of the cells of a sheet and link that to other resources like PDF documents, websites, images, basically any resource with a URL. Google now has this nice thumbnail preview image that shows up when you do hyperlinks within a Google Sheet. So let's give this a try. So here's our example, and I hovered over it with my mouse and it popped up. So let's zoom in here. This is where it says step 1, after reviewing each DOP or description of practice element of the capsules with your coach, select 1 to 6 capsule standards, etc., etc. So if I click on this, I can see that it is highlighted, and when I hover over it or click on it, the thumbnail pops up here of that resource, which is a PDF that I have saved to my Google Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how that's done. So to do that, I'm going to click on it and break this or remove this link. And I'll show you starting from scratch how this is done. First thing I need to go get is in my drive, look for that capsule DOP PDF, find it in my drive and go to the upper area where it says get link. It shows an icon of a link. I click on that and it allows for me to copy link, right? I may need to allow anyone to have access to that and be a viewer of that resource first, and then click done. So I've copied that link and now I need to go over here, find where exactly I want that link to be. So I'm going to highlight DOP element of capsules. And once I've highlighted that, I'm going to go again in the upper right hand area and look for that same icon that says that it shows a link. And then when I hover over it, it says insert link, or there's a shortcut of Command K. And I click on that and it pops up this search or paste a link here, right? So these are other options that I can show you, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and paste the link and click apply. Once I do that, it shows now the link there. Now it may take a little while for the thumbnail to generate. Oh, it does. It has been generated. So I'll zoom out and see what we can get here. There it is. The thumbnail is now back. And when I click on that, if I'm a user of this document, user interface, I will click on that, see that resource, and then I can click on that resource for it to be opened up and for me to be able to use that resource at my fingertips. So that is a tutorial on how you can use spreadsheets to hyperlink resources that enhance the user experience, but also the learning experience. This is one of several videos on how to create a learning management system through Google Sheets. Thanks for joining.